Right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olakunle Yinka, alias ATMHUB. So today we'll be talking about how to register on ATMHUBs.com. So if you don't have the website already, you can simply go to your Chrome, and then open a new tab. Then type www.atemhubs.com. So click on enter and let's wait while the website loads. So this is the interface of the website if you are using Chrome. This is the interface of the website, but we are not going here today. We want to talk about how to register and start spending data, utility bills, airtime, and how to make profits on the website. So let's go to either sign up or login. Anyone, just click on anyone and it will take you to this page. From this page now you can easily click on sign up or download app. So either sign up or download app, and let's just click on sign up. So start clicking on sign up, it will bring this new page out. Then it will ask you to enter all this information which must be correct. So let's start by entering our username. Let me name this one testing because I have accounts on the website already. So testing, as you can see, the website is telling me that the length of the username is not correct, so I will add something. So testing 1 2 3 is actually correct. How many digits is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So at least 10 digits is okay. So email address, let me input my email address. The email address must be correct because a message will be sent to the email address so that you can confirm that you are an human being, you are not just a robot. Now, phone number, please input the correct phone number. So let me just enter my phone number. Okay, referral username, if you have it, input it. If you don't have, just skip it and go to transaction pin. Now here, transaction pin must be 4 or 5 long, so I'll be using 9999. Mind you, this is just a testing account, so I'm not using my real pin. And here is a password. Let me also use a password that must be 8 to 18 character long. So let me use testing. You can show it so that you won't make any mistake, and something that we use must be something you won't forget easily but not common at the same time, so it won't be something someone can easily guess and use against you. So testing at 1 2 3, this should be okay if I'm right. Yeah, it's actually okay. So let me just copy and paste, because copy and paste. You are. Now don't forget to click on agree to term and condition. You don't need to read it, just click on agree. After agree, click on sign up. So what is the message now? Register successfully. Check your members for account activation. So let's go and check our members for account activation. Now I will skip this now and go to my Gmail. That's why your Gmail or email address must be correct, so that you can confirm your account. Blah 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 blah. This, as you can see now, this is ATMHUB account verification on ATMHUB. Hi, testing 1 2 3. Welcome to ATMHUB.com. We are glad to have you here. We would like to take a tour with you on the website. Don't need to read all this one. What you need is just to scroll down and click on to confirm your registration with us. Kindly click here. So you can either click here or copy this link below and paste it on your Google Chrome. So let me just click here, or let me anywhere, just click anywhere and see what will happen. As you can see, account verified successfully. Please proceed to login. Now let's go and confirm all we have done. Let's go and confirm all we have done. This video will be very short because I don't want to waste to bore you with long video. So I will show you how to do other things in the next video. So I have copied the password before, so I just want to copy and paste here. This is the app. Don't copy and paste here. Sorry, testing 1 2 3. Now if I click on sign in now, it should take me to the home page. Wow, let me save it. Let me save. So this is my home page now. So we have successfully registered on ATMHUB.com and we have verified our account and we have logged in into the app successfully. The next thing will be how to download the app. So please subscribe, like and share this video with your friend so they can know how to actually register on this app and the website. Thank you. See you next time.